Alright, so here we go. We got some, this video is going to be us replacing the coilpack pin harnesses, well, coilpack connector harnesses. There's 3 little ones. I already put one on the car. This is what they look like. These are the locking. The one I'm replacing is, these are locking type. The ones that are on there, you pretty much just push this and these whole things shatter because they're in between the valleys of the, or they're in the valley of the cams. So there's that. We're going to be replacing these. All mine have pretty much shattered. I replaced the one that was messed up the worst. And we're going to go ahead and do the rest. And I have some nice wire loom. And get that out real quick. That's right here. So this is like 100 feet of, what is this? 3/8 wire loom. Expands. It's kind of like a finger trap. See, it expands like that, and you push it, and it seals back closed. We got 100 feet of this. It's for my other wiring harness stuff I do, and then all this stuff you can buy off Amazon, by the way. These little wiring kits right here for these pigtails is like $7, and they come with these, but we're not going to use those. You use this shit for like quick fixes on like trailers and stuff. I wouldn't recommend using it on an ignition system, which this is an ignition system, obviously. You can keep your zip ties. It comes with a few of those. I have, fuck, can you see that? There's a whole bunch of different sizes of shrink wrap for the ends of the wiring sleeve we have. Like tons of different ones. I normally use the big ones because they go over. They can go over the end of that sleeve easily. And then we have this. So these are solder sleeves. I use them pretty frequently when I was doing a bunch of airbag recalls. Of course, the ones we use are a bit better quality than these, but you can get a whole thing of these for like $14. And there's, I mean, 100 plus pretty much. Yeah, this one's 70 red, 40 white, 35 blue, and 15 yellow. And they're all different sizes. Let's see what sizes they are. I don't know what that fucking means, but that's them. And yeah, so we're gonna use these for this and get started on that. Like, I gotta go take the intake off now. Pretty much gonna need for this is 10, a 12, and you know, some pliers and shit to take some of these lines off, like this one under here, throttle body cooler. But yeah, so what we're going for is we're gonna make the wires look like this. I'm probably gonna do it to this one too, and then eventually all of it's gonna be done just like that and new. Like this is the new one I've already done. So we're gonna go ahead and get a time lapse set up and start on this. And we're taking this piece off in the intake and going from there. Alright, so you can kind of let that lay right there. You can get to all the wires. You can take this off. It really doesn't matter. But yeah, they're all right here. 10 mils hold these in, these coilpacks. And then you can see this plug's broke. Literally, it comes right off, and the pins are just kind of loose in there. And yeah, I think we'll just go ahead and take that off. comes off like that. It's got a little, pretty much this is a gasket, but I've had this on and off so many times, and this car don't make really any power, so not like if this ever leaked, if it would matter or not. So this bottom, pretty much this bottom stud does have to come out. It's a E7 Torx. You just get it out from the front. In the time lapse when I ran off, that's what I was looking for, was my E7 kit. And I'll go ahead and pull these out while I'm here, because I don't use that cover anymore, even though it was nice. I don't care. We're gonna have a big single intake on here, or to the side, and oh, that's gonna break. Yep. Well, I'll probably have to get that out with vice grips then, because that's gonna come off. Yeah, that one too. Oh well. We got vice grips around here, we can get them out. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this stuff out and ready to replace these. So, oh, that's backwards razor blade. I almost cut myself. Wonder if you guys saw that. Boom, like that, done. And hit him with these. Fuck. Boom, done. All right, yeah, we're on a wide enough angle. You can see what the fuck I'm doing. Sick. Okay. This wire is sort of corroded, which isn't ideal, but hey, it's okay. We're pretty much just gonna add the sleeve in there and do that. Now, this has to go on first, which makes this difficult. So we're gonna do about 6, 7, 8 inch section of that. Don't quote me on that 8 inches. You know what I'm saying? And I'm using titanium scissors to cut this shit, because it's pretty hard to cut. And I know these bugs are loud as fuck. So before this gets frayed, go ahead and slide. I cut one of these in half. You do a full one, you can cut them in half, whatever, doesn't matter. That's on you. There's a goat yelling in the background. That's a small goat. Don't know if y'all can hear him, but he's a little shithead. Fucking bitch. Alright. Now, like, the correct way to really do this would be put the connector on last and just have wires, but I'm adding, so we would do a wrap over sleeve in front of this one, or, you know, a bunch of electrical tape or something like that to cover it up, but this gets you close, see? So. Of course, I'm stupid and that's the wrong one. Fuck. I gotta do it again. You can use a lighter to help like shrink wrap and stuff too, but I have a lot more tools I know than a regular person. Being in the mechanic field my whole life. Yeah. There it is. So you can see it close. Brand new connector. Like I said, these have locking tabs, so you just click them, push them down, it ain't coming off. I think I did pretty good with the length on that because it's literally that long, so not bad. And I'll go ahead and do the next one off camera and show you that. So I just did the last one. Of course, I did it in like 2 minutes versus the other one. I mean, I did the whole thing. Yeah, I got it all the way to the actual harness connector, so I don't have to add anything to it, and it's fucking perfect. And this one goes all the way back there. Looks good. I'm happy with how that one turned out. This one, we're gonna add a little electrical tape to it, and then well, or I could just add the slip-on piece to it and then tuck it in here for whenever I finish the rest of these harnesses out and redo the whole engine bay harness. But yeah, I think that looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and put everything back together and show you how the valley will look. Alright. Alright, a few hours went by and I shot the shit with my neighbor and whatnot. Taking this stuff off. The wiring is all done. Like I said in my other little clip, I got it. I got this side done in like 2 minutes versus the other side. It took 15. I'm gonna go ahead and take those off because I think they just look stupid. Same with these. It's just spare hardware at this point. Oh, damn. All right, now check this out. So the wire loom comes out. Then this is the bigger one right here. Goes in the little ones, goes in the little ones. Super clean. They're all clicked in, looking good. I'm gonna put this all back together and crank her up. And there you go. It's all back together. You can't see it, but it's under there. Yep. I just started it, made sure everything's good. Topped off coolant and oil. She rips, y'all. I'll do some more like basic little repair things in a video, and I'm probably gonna do a timing belt soon. And timing belt, head gasket, cam seals, you can see a little bit through there, dampener, and a few other things. I mean, this car is getting all redone anyway, but I'll make some videos on it. Most people don't do it every little bit, so yeah. Yee.